Precision. Precision is in every breath. It is created by time, passion, and knowledge. It takes its right to exist by its important relevance for everything it defines between creator and creation. Precision is in every breath. It is defined by experiences, by the power of its possibilities. It is created by time, passion,